December 2024 bargain bead box unboxing. Let's go. Hey y'all, it's April. Thanks for stopping by my crazy creative life. I got this in today, so I just wanted to do a real quick, I guess, unboxing of this bargain bead box. So let's go ahead and jump on in. I think I'm gonna put this down. It's be easier to see the jewels. Okay, it looks like this bargain bead box is a Glacier Glimmer. I bet you it's gonna be a lot of icy blues and silvers and stuff. I'm guessing. Let's see. Yay, look. Icy blues, yep. And some purples. I was thinking purples too, I just didn't say it. Oh man, that's gonna be really pretty. Okay, let me get all this situated and we'll be right back. All right, the first one, it is 20mm blue lace agate and brass point pendant. That is pretty. That's beautiful. I love that. Second one, it's number 2. It's 8 to 12mm blue lace agate faceted cylinder beads in a 4-inch strand. Retails at $6.99. That pendant retails at $6.99. Ooh, I like those. Okay, I'll go back and do those later, but look how pretty those are. Pretty. Okay. Number 3 is blue lace agate chips in a 15-inch strand, and it retails at $4.99. Oh, those are so pretty. Look how pretty that is. Number 4 is a 3mm faceted aquamarine round beads in a 7.5-inch string, and they also retail at $6.99. Number 5 is 6mm agate cornflower blue round beads in a 15-inch string. Retails $7.99. I like cornflower. It's almost like a bluish purple. That is really pretty. Number 6, it's 8mm Malaysia Jade dyed quartz round bead in ice blue, 7.5-inch string, and it retails at $3.99. It's almost a whitish blue, gray, with like a hint of blue. It looks icy. Number 7 is 8mm sea opal glass faceted round beads, 11-inch string, and it retails at $2.99. That's going to reflect about any color you put with that. That's real pretty. But it's kind of a, I don't know, like a milky blue in a way. I don't know how to describe it. It does kind of remind you of sea glass, though. See, it's almost a milky. Number 8 is 6 by 4 millimeter crystal faceted rondelle beads in powdered blue with an AB finish, 15-inch string, and they retail at $3.99. Ooh, I like these. Oh, those are beautiful. Can you see how pretty? Yeah, I think it is. That light's reflecting. Oh, that's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Can't wait to make some jewelry with this. Number 9, 8 millimeter crystal faceted round beads in Alexandrite with AB finish and 10-inch string, and it's $4.99. Retails at $4.99. I think these are my favorite. Those are absolutely stunning. I almost believe that's probably my favorite bead ever that they have sent. And they've got some gorgeous stuff at that. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Kind of like a disco ball. Look at that. Oh my goodness. My mercy. Number 10, it's a 20-piece 8 by 10 millimeter English cut crystal rondelle bead in crystal AB finish. Retails at $4.99. Those are really pretty too. And these they call it English. Yeah, the English cut. They're a little different. It's not really an octagon. I think it's got more than 8 sides, but it reminds you of that. I don't want to sit there and count how many sides that has, but it's really pretty. And ignore my poor old hands. Wintertime, my hands get awful shape. Number 11 is 4 millimeter crystal faceted bicone beads, matte white opal with AB finish, and it retails at $3.99. It makes you think of ice. Also, number 12, it's a 7.5 by 11 millimeter crystal chevron oval barrel beads in slate blue iris, 6-inch string, and it retails at $3.99. Ooh, those are pretty. Oh, there's the chevron. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see the chevron stripe. That's really pretty. I haven't seen anything like this. Number 13, it is just a 50-piece 4 millimeter brass stardust spacer beads in silver, and they retail at $2.99. Number 14 is 30 pieces of 7.5 millimeter dotted star bead caps, and also the silver. Number 15 is 39 by 16 millimeter woven swirl pendant, and it retails at $2.99. That's pretty. That side is textured. That side is smooth, so I guess it's whatever you like the best. I really don't know. I think both sides are pretty. Okay, number 16, we have 4 pieces of 28 by 18 millimeter woven swirl links. They retail at $3.99, so we're going to match that one. Now those are not textured on the other side like this one is. Number 17 is 8 pieces of 18 by 16 millimeter woven knot charms, retail at $2.99. These are, now these aren't textured really either. Number 18 is 3 sets of swirled hook and eye clasp. They retail at $1.99. Those are pretty. I guess that's all I could say tonight, is that those are pretty. And number 19 is 1 meter 4 by 3 millimeter by 6.5 by 3 millimeter hypoallergenic stainless steel Figaro jewelry chain, and it retails at $4.99. Feels thick, feels sturdy. All right, that is it. I really don't know why I opened them this way tonight, but that's the way I opened them tonight. But anyway, Bargain Bead Box, if you do not know anything about them, they are a bead box, curated bead box company, and they have all this beautiful, gorgeous jewelry for a really steep discounted price, and you become a member and you will receive monthly, if you subscribe, you will receive monthly one of their beautiful sets, and this retails at $85.81 is the actual retail value, but this costs $22 and something a month. I forgot what the change is. It's almost $23 a month. And that's it. So you're paying $23, but you're getting, you know, $85 worth of jewelry and chain and bead caps and whatever. So if you're interested, I will put the link to Bargain Bead Box in the description box below. And then you can either do April number 2 or MCCL number 2. That should get you $2 off your very first order. Let me know if the code does not work, and I will contact them. But anyway, that is it. So I hope you have enjoyed this Bargain Bead Box. And I don't think I told you, this was for December 2024 Bargain Bead Box. And I think it's really pretty. I'm not going to make anything tonight. Hopefully tomorrow I can try to make something, or maybe tomorrow or the next day I can try to make something. But this is beautiful. I really want to get into it. So that's it. I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your night, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye. Hey, if you like this video, you may want to check out my previous video or my previous series. Talk to you soon.